drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want out of this club. You know you're national, you're national. Don't move around in my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding.
If you watch the Poland video, you know that I basically pulled an all-nighter at my hostel. Then at 6:30 got a bus from Krakow all the way through Slovakia into Hungary and then to Budapest. And the views were literally stunning. I just spent hours listening to music. I was trying to sleep, it wasn't really working. First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. The nice thing about driving rather than flying was that I could actually see quite a bit of Slovakia from the window, and then we also did quite a few stops. I was getting so confused with the currency because Krakow, obviously they use zloty, and then they use euros in Slovakia, and then forint in Hungary. So I was just getting so muddled up with all the conversion rates. My first impression of Budapest was just that everything was so stunning, and also the hostel that I stayed at was so friendly and there were so many girls there. I also got to see Jenna and Dana again, who I'd met in Krakow.
I'm what a bitch needs. Tryna find the one that can fix me. I've been dodging death in the 6 speed. Amphetamine got my stomach feeling sickly. I want it all now. I've been running through the pussy, need a dog pound. 100 models getting faded in a compound. Tryna love me, but they never get a pulse down. Cause I'm heartless, and I'm bad to my ways. Cause I'm heartless. All this money and this pain got me heartless. Said I'm heartless, so much pussy be falling out the pocket. Metro Boomin turn this hoe into a mosh pit.
Paper on the stairs, which I thought was cute.
Oh, just cup of noodle for dinner.
First, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. Too much, I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all, yeah. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all,
Just got to the new Airbnb. I can't explain how much this Airbnb stay was needed. Oh my god, it was so nice to sleep in a quiet room.
I know you're not the sharpest tool in the shed. We had sex, I met your best friend.
took a left me with a lot of shit to second guess. Guess I'll waste another year, I'm wondering if that was casual, then I'm an idiot. I'm looking for an answer in between the lines, lying to yourself if you think we're fine. You're confused and I'm upset, but we never talk about it. We never talk about it.
What's it called again, Serge?
We never talk about it.
Oh my god, I've just got to my hostel. I'm literally shaking. It's actually a really nice room, but I had to walk through like the dodgiest area ever. Like I just kept walking further and further away from the centre of town. So I was like really trying to like keep my phone away, but obviously needed the directions. It's okay at daytime, like still anything can go wrong, but there's just no way I can walk through that to get into town at night time. I'm really sorry if I sound really grumpy in these clips. I just had not had a good night's sleep and I didn't really feel very safe in this location. And it is just something you have to consider when you're travelling on your own as a girl. Like staying in safe places is so important. And to be honest, this whole day and evening, I just felt so on edge because I just didn't feel safe where I was staying. So that's where a lot of these rants are coming from. So I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm trashing Budapest, which I'm absolutely not. There are obviously going to be safer and less safe places to stay in each city you go to. It's the same in London, it's the same in Paris. I just felt really out of my comfort zone. Listen to what I've just been woken up by at 8:30 in the morning. It's been like this for an hour, right outside my door. What kind of construction work just demands like that much hammering? Can't wait to get to my next Airbnb with Ella. We've made it out. I have food poisoning. We're trying to recover. We're papping this. So I spent that entire night throwing up because I got food poisoning. I think it was from some dodgy pizza that I ate that had been sitting out in the shop for too long. So this day I was kind of recovering, but I just felt so out of it, and I ended up actually having food poisoning for the rest of the week. It was quite grim.
The way we move, skin on the skin, no separation, need no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going 0 to 100, nah, nah. Riding, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right before I decide to go. I like you hurt me, on this I made up if it is hurt for me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push us down. I like you hurt me,
I'm not thriving. Ella's thriving. I'm feeling better than I was yesterday. Yesterday I felt like I was going to pass out. Today I still feel a bit like I could pass out, but I'm feeling a bit better.
What happened last night, Georgia?
What happened last night? Something happened 14 times. I'm not going to say what because this is YouTube and this is a safe space and I don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable.
But I don't think you should feel uncomfortable.
Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we can't pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we can't pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say floating on the high.
We got defeated. This was the worst thing to have eaten with fucking food poisoning, but at least we have. Is this a film? I got you.